Absolutely beautiful, fall off the bone stuff, really tender, juicy. We've got ourselves some lovely, lovely chicken there. Okay, so we're going to do a chicken today. We're going to do this roast chicken with some beautiful roast garlic, lemon and rosemary. It doesn't take long. It is wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got my roasting tin here. I've got a little bit of olive oil in the bottom, and we've got plenty of sliced lemon, which we're just going to throw in here. This will act as like a bed for our chicken. Just drop that all in, and obviously give it some amazing flavors as well. Bit of rosemary just there. We can plop our chicken right on that. So our chicken, I've got a whole 1.2 kg chicken. That's about 2.3, 2.4 pounds. Now what I've done is I've just trimmed the end of the wings off, and I've spatchcocked it or butterflied it. What that means is I've done this, look, like that. So the chicken was there. What you do is you take out about 2 fingers from there to there, the whole sort of backbone, pull that out, and then you've got a nice spatchcocked chicken. We'll get a little bit of simple seasoning on there. Got a sexy glove on for this. Black pepper, don't be shy. Salt, don't be shy. Smoked paprika, I love this. Little bit of olive oil. Get in. Give that a little rub around there. Flip it over. Same again, black pepper. Salt. More of the smoked paprika. Drizzle with olive oil. Again, get in there, give it a rub. So easy. Our chicken is ready. Little bit underarm there. Fantastic. Whole cloves of peeled garlic. Again, plenty of. Right, get that in the oven. Fabulous. Sometimes weights and what have you are about to appear in front of your eyes right now. Okay, so as you can see, we've got this little chart there. This is for a 1 kg chicken. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below in the description for a fantastic roasting calculator. So click the link, pop in the weight of whatever meat it is. It doesn't just do chicken, it does loads of different stuff as well. And it will tell you exactly what to do. It really is a little fab thing from the BBC. Okay, there you go. That looks beautiful. So the lemon and the rosemary I discarded, and that's fresh. But this is the garlic that was in there, which is super sweet and delicious. Of course, that chicken is succulent, tasty, and wonderful. I'll leave a link for that roasting calculator in the text below. It's really handy. It doesn't just do chicken, it does all sorts of meat. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.